Oh, what? Oh, it's a package. It says, YouTube. Okay. What is up, guys? This is Bear9182736445 here, and as you can see right here, I got a package. It says from YouTube. So I don't know what it is, so I'm just gonna open it. Okay. Like, comment down below what do you think it is. So pause the video, comment down below, down below, what do you think it is. Okay. From YouTube to Bear9182736445. See it? I'm gonna read it if it's a letter. Okay. It says, Dear Bear 9182736445. Good job getting 15 subs. You got the 15 sub play button. Your friend YouTube. P.S. Sorry, it broke. I'm not lying. This is what it says. What does it mean by sorry it broke? Okay, let's keep looking here. Oh. I think that's really cool. It says bear up here. And it says all the numbers going down and around. Oh, that's what it means by sorry it broke. They had to tape it back together near the 4 and the 6. So, thank you all for 15 subs. Well, they even made a stand, a homemade stand. They made it. It's a cardboard play button. It's a play button and it says 15 subs in the middle. So you can stand up and everything. It's got a stand on the back. That's what they stand. And I think there's something else. And a little trophy. So we got the 15 sub play button. We got a letter from them. And a little trophy. So thank you all for 15 subscribers. Actually, it's 17 now, but apparently I'm gonna be celebrating 15 because my doorbell rang and I found this package and it said from YouTube, so I decided to record it. I was recording actually. I started recording because I was gonna do a vlog or something like that, and then I started recording and I heard the doorbell, and then I saw this package right outside my door and it said from YouTube. So then I said from YouTube and whatever, and then here, let's just replay that. Oh, what? Oh, package. It says from YouTube. Okay, now that we replayed that, then I saw the box and I was like, oh well, I'm gonna record this and make a video about it. So thank you all for 15 subscribers. And another thing about that, my movie memes Monster House, I think I should do another one, another movie memes thing, because that got 67 views. That's my most views, actually 71 today. Right before I made this video I checked, it was 71, so thank you for that, and A lot of people have been telling me to redo meme comp, and I will. I'm just thinking of new memes and stuff, and I've got a couple, but I gotta make more, and I'll be making the meme comp. Don't you worry. But so that has like, I think 57 views. But so comment down below if I should definitely do more movie meme things, or just memes. Okay, just meme comps, any kind of meme thing, because people have been liking those, and they haven't. I mean, not everything else has been going like not as many views. Like the how to get basically Minecraft on a Kindle. That one apparently wasn't very. Not many people watched that. So I'm just gonna be making more meme comps probably, and more movie memes. So like, subscribe so we can get more than this many. 15. We're actually at 17, as I said earlier. We're at 17, but I'd like to get more. I'd like to get to 30. That would be nice. At least 30. But 20 would be nice too. And yeah, I just want to keep getting more famous, and more subscribers, more views on videos. And I'm hoping for 100 views on Movie Memes Monster House, and I'm probably going to keep doing more of those and more meme comps. So like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and see you guys later. If I get 100 views on Movie Memes Monster House, I will make more meme comps and more movie memes. So that's all I had to say. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, you know already. And do all that so you can help me, help yourselves, and hopefully you enjoy my channel. Bye.